Hey guys, hello, how are you? My name is Hassan Saeed. I am an admin of a Facebook group called Bouquet, which is basically a book club that was formed almost, let's say, six years ago. Alhamdulillah, we have now almost 11,000 members from all over the world, and we have tend to have regular meetups in Pakistan. We had in Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, Peshawar. We had one in Hyderabad, I believe, and then we have had them in Canada, USA. We even had one in India as well. So I see a lot of reading culture in Pakistan, and I noticed that there was this recent survey by Gallup which showed that only 1 in 9 Pakistanis read. Like 75% say they've never read a book, or at most they have read one book. And I was just thinking about this, and I was looking at the group, and I was thinking, what is wrong with Pakistan's reading culture? So let me say that it's not as bad as people expect. So basically, हम इसमें जब देखते हैं, so there are a number of reasons I believe that reading culture में जो issues हैं. I think primarily the number one reason is that it is not encouraged. I remember I was like growing up, going to school in Faisalabad. वहाँ पे we used to have a library lesson. Like there was like one dedicated, I think 45 minutes का lesson होता था, and that was dedicated to go to a library and read a book. But like most of my class fellows would skip it and go out and play games or go to the computer lab. And I think I was the only one who would sit there and read the books. Like Hardy Boys हो गए, Enid Blyton हो गई. And I used to have a good conversation with the librarian as well, help me out in a few issues I had at school. So that being said, उसके बाद दूसरा ये नज़र आता है कि it's seen as a hobby which should be discarded. You will notice कि parents will be saying or teachers will be saying ये किताबें बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ता है लेकिन स्कूल की नहीं पढ़ता. यूनिवर्सिटी में भी यही होगा कि यार आपको you read the course pack or you read the book. And I think the third major reason is that it's seen as an elitist hobby. You have to be rich to read books. Yeah, you need to pay a lot of money to buy books or to keep a collection of them. And fourth, I think, is because libraries की कमी है यहाँ पे जो हैं, they're in a very dire situation, या उन पे कर्व इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि they're inaccessible to the people. For example, लाहौर में जो कायद आज़म लाइब्रेरी है, उसके लिए I believe the last time I checked, you needed a master's degree to get in. You can't get in if you have a bachelor's degree. You can't get in if you have like अगर आप school student हो, you still cannot get in. You need to have a master's degree because वो कहते हैं कि वहाँ पे इतने important documents पड़े हैं, they don't want anybody below a master's touching them. So यहाँ पे ये बहुत बड़ा issue है. तो I think what we can start off by doing, and the thing is that there are some initiatives that are actually helping. For example, Pakistan government ने किया हुआ है National Book Foundation. I believe you pay a certain amount to get a membership and then you can get 50% off on their books. So that's one thing. Literary festivals होते हैं, वो अच्छी बात है. लेकिन reading culture का issue है because इधर यहाँ पे people see it as a pastime. It's not seen as something you must do or as a hobby. Issue है कि जो लोग पढ़ते भी हैं उनके साथ भी issues हैं क्योंकि number one, you're seeing कि if you read like certain type of books, for example, if you've read The Alchemist or you've read 40 Rules of Love, मैं भी judge कर लेता हूँ लोगों को इस बात पे. That puts off a lot of people. There is no acceptance if you read a certain type of books. So that shows an issue कि elitism है even people who read. दूसरा मसला ये नज़र आता है कि हाँ बुक्स एक्सपेंसिव हैं. इवन राइट नाउ ड्यू टू पाकिस्तान और इंडिया का जो चल रहा है, कश्मीर का मसला चल रहा है, उसकी वजह से पाकिस्तान ने इंडिया से बुक्स इंपोर्ट बंद कर दिया. सो दैट हैज़ लेड टू अ राइज इन द प्राइसेस एज वेल, और बुक्स मिलना बड़ी मुश्किल हो गई हैं. तो पाकिस्तान की अपनी पब्लिशिंग इंडस्ट्री जो है, इट्स लाइक सिर्फ ऑक्सफोर्ड है, रीडिंग्स है, संग मील होगा, एंड दास्तान इज़ अ रिसेंट स्टार्टअप. बट अदरवाइज आई डोंट थिंक कि पाकिस्तान में कोई ऐसी चल रही है. जो राइटर्स हमारे अपने भी हैं, सेल्फ पब्लिश्ड हैं, या दे डू इट ऑन ई बुक्स, एंड इवन देन दे स्ट्रगलिंग टू पे द बिल्स और स्ट्रगलिंग टू ब्रेक इवन.